Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find draft reels on Instagram. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step here, what you're going to do, we'll go and open Instagram app. And so once we open Instagram app over here, as you can see, we have the plus button in the middle. So we click on it. And from here, we're going to choose reel and we click on the camera. And now from here, we can start recording the reel. So we hold the button to record reel as you can see over here. And now once we're done with it, we will be able to click on next. And now we click on next once again. And so here we can go and click on next to publish the reel, or we can click on save draft. So we're going to click on save draft over here to save it as a draft. And now how we can get back the draft reel. We're going to click on our icon down to the right bottom. And from here, we're going to click on Reels on the middle. And so once we click on it, we can see the draft over here. So once we click on it, we can click on these 3 points and we can rename or delete the draft, or we can click on it and we can continue the editing to upload the reel. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.